Okay, so welcome back again to another video. So in this video, we take a look at two ways that we can freeze frame in Kdenlive. So let's see how we can do that. In the first example, let's place our playhead in the position that we want to freeze. Then come to the preview window or the clip monitor here, do a right click, and you can see that there is a extract frame and extract frame to project. So we want to extract frame to project so that it can extract the frame and place it in the project bin. So let's do that. Right click and then extract frame to project. Now type in our file name. Once we type in our file name, let's click save, and here it is. It's creating this freeze frame and place it in the project bin. So what we need to do, come to the video clip on the timeline, and we still have the playhead in the same position. Let's hit X and cut it from here, and then hit S to go back again to the pointer or the selector tool and grab this and move it somewhere there and bring in the freeze frame or the one that we just extracted from. And since it's still a bit longer here, we can just trim it down, something like this. And let's bring in back our clip again. So here, so when it comes to here, it's just freeze there and then continue again. So this is the first example. Now let's look at the second example. Let's undo this again. Ctrl Z to undo it. For the second example, we're going to use the freeze effect. So let's place our playhead in the position that we want to freeze. So we want to freeze from here. Now come to the timestamp here, which is 2.16 seconds, and we have to remember this number. And let's go to the effects panel, and under the sets bar there, type in freeze, or you can just go to motion, under the motion, and make sure to be on show all video effects there, and then you have the freeze here. So simply grab this and apply it to your clip. Now remember that we have placed the playhead in 2.16 seconds. So on the slider here in the properties, so in this slider here, let's move, or we can just simply type in here, or 2.16. So let's type 16 here, and now we have the slider, or you can simply grab onto the slider here and slide it. Now once we have that, now you can decide to press it before or press it after. That means before is from the beginning of the clip all the way to the where the timestamp is, which is the playhead position, or after, which is after the playhead position. So we want to do that after. So let's just click this and press the frame at that position 2.16. So in the beginning we have the person moving, and when it comes to 2.16, it's freeze from there. Okay, so these are two ways that we can freeze clip in Kdenlive. Thank you again for watching, and thank you to those who have subscribed to our channel. Thank you very much, and see you all back again in another video.